Today I'm creating a portrait one of the most influential figures in the world, Bill Gates. He is not just the co-founder of Microsoft, he's a symbol of technological revolution, innovation and philanthropy. What inspired me to draw Bill Gates is not just his impact on technology, but his dedication to changing the world in ways far beyond software. Bill Gates was born on October 28, 1955 in Seattle, Washington. From a young age, he showed a passion for computers, but back then computers were massive, expensive machines. Who would have thought that this young boy would help make personal computers accessible to almost every household? In 1975, Gates co-founded Microsoft with his friend Paul Allen. Their vision was to put a computer on every desk in every home. It wasn't easy. Through Microsoft started small, but Bill's determination and belief in his vision took the company to unimaginable heights. The release of Windows in 1985 revolutionized the way people use computers. And here where things get even more fascinating. Even after achieving massive success, Bill Gates didn't stop. He shifted his focus to something bigger, philanthropy. In 2000, he founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, aiming to tackle global issues like poverty, education, and disease prevention. As I work on this portrait today, there is something truly challenging about it. Capturing his smile, smiling faces are the hardest to draw because you need to get the expression just right. One wrong stroke and you lose the warmth, the personality. This is where my own experience comes into play. Working with the charcoal pencil on paper is something I deeply enjoy. The natural flow and texture of charcoal fascinate me, and I prefer to keep the strokes raw without blending them with my fingers. It gives the artwork a sense of authenticity and character. What's particularly challenging about drawing a smiling face like Bill Gates is maintaining the right expression while staying true to the likeness. Thank you for watching. As I finish this piece, I hope you feel the same inspiration I do from Bill Gates' incredible journey. But this is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, I'll be exploring more extraordinary personalities and fascinating stories through my artwork. Each new piece will bring unique challenges and creative techniques that I can't wait to share with you. Stay tuned because the best is yet to come. See you in the next one.